Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is very important for all of you as LTI Mindtree announced the graduate engineer training opportunity for all of you, and finally the test date is revealed 20 September. In the video we will discuss about the updated test pattern. I am not selling any of the courses masterclass. Okay, you can see on my screen. I am sharing the free preparation resources, important guidelines with all of you so you guys can crack examination very easily. I already make the video on our placement preparation YouTube channel, but that video is not reached to many of the candidates. So now we have finally update that is related to LTI Mindtree test. Okay, so you can see LTI Mindtree 26 batch recruitment online assessment notification, and if you received this type of mail, mention in the comment section yes you received. Okay, or you are waiting for off campus, you can mention yes you are waiting for the off campus. Dear candidate, greetings from LTI Mindtree. Thank you for your application. We are pleased to share you schedule of assessment and test guideline. Date of test is September 20. Test window link will be active from 12:01 hours to 11:59 hours on September 20. मतलब जैसे ही September 20 स्टार्ट होगा रात की 12 बजे से लेके नेक्स्ट अगले दिन की जो 11:59 PM होगा तब तक आपका टेस्ट एक्टिव रहेगा. लिंक विल रिमेन ओपन फॉर कंटिन्यूस 24 आवर. लॉजिकल, क्वांट्स, एनालिटिकल, कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग, कंप्यूटर साइंस, इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रहेंशन एंड स्पोकन इंग्लिश 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 sections are there. Test duration is 10 minutes. So previously the test duration is consist of 120-130 minutes, but now the test duration is 10 minutes. So totally depends on them. इसके हिसाब से जो number of questions है, the number of questions will also change for this examination as well, and the duration and the time for each section is also change. Okay, the test link and guidelines will be sent to your registered email ID from assessment platform partner SHL through the email ID by September 19th. Okay, so this is the mandatory prerequisite you have to do before the assessment process. The assessment needs to be taken in quiet and well lit space. The test is taken on computer laptop system equipped with working webcam, headphone, earphone with mic, and ensuring smooth internet connectivity throughout the test session. Okay. Surrounding noise can impact the communication score performance. Yes, there is a communication assessment also. Please note that assessment will prompt to use the lockdown browser. For Mac device, for Windows device, you can download the download the lockdown browser, as you have to give examination on this platform. For more understanding on the lockdown browser, download online assessment registration form details. Okay, to be filled on the day of assessment on the test platform. Please refer to attached test platform user guide document. All extra application and program should be closed before launching the assessment. Please ensure proper dress code, business formal and plain background throughout the test duration. One thing that I have to mention, documents you have to kept ready before the online assessment or at the time of online assessment, because you have to upload this document on the test platform. Files to be uploaded only in PDF, JPEG, doc format, maximum size of 2 MB. Eligibility declaration form attached. एक form उन्होंने आपको दिया होगा, that is a eligibility form. You have to fill all the details in that form, and you have to keep ready this, because you have to upload this form at the time of examination. Updated resume should be updated, because it will throughout your complete process, that's we can say that interview process. College ID card, kindly ensure that you meet eligibility criteria. These are the malpractice indicator. I suggest everyone, I am not saying about this, because you can read this easily. And the one thing that I have to mention, please read this, it is very important. Okay, because we have to know about all the guidelines. They clearly mention do not try to print screen, copy or click photo of the test content. Uses of cell phone camera, please be aligned to video screen. You can check this. Okay, let's discuss about the assessment pattern. I mention here the multiple patterns. These are considered in the previous examinations. Okay, like we can say that in the 23, 24. Next, from the 25 batch, we see this pattern in which test composition of 130 minutes. English comprehension. Okay, we have English comprehension. Where is English comprehension? Here. So we can write like this first. Okay, This is the updated pattern according to the mail. Second is logical ability. So we write here second logical ability. Third quants ability, we write here third here. Basic analytical ability, we write here 4. Computer programming fifth, we write here fifth. Computer science here, computer science sixth. Spoken English 7th, spoken English 7th. So the test pattern is same as this pattern, okay, because this analytical ability previous pattern in which only 6 sections are there and 120 minutes of durations are there. But this time in the 2025 year, we see this updated pattern, and in the according to mail they mention this is the pattern, means all sections are same. What are the sections? The sections are logical, quant, analytical, computer programming, computer science, English comprehension and spoken English. The new thing is duration, they mention 10 minutes. So again I am mentioning the number of questions are also changed related to particular section, and the time will also change, okay. Duration in minutes, you can see English comprehension 15 minutes. Previously for English comprehension 15 minutes 12 questions are there. For logical reasoning 15 minutes 12 questions are there. For quant ability 15 minutes 12 questions are there. For basic analytical ability 10 minutes are there. So we can understand 5 to 10 questions are here asked, okay. Not sure about this because this time the pattern will like the number of questions will depends on them. For computer programming 35 minutes 25 questions are there. For computer science 20 minutes 20 questions are there, and for spoken English 20 minutes 7 questions are there, okay. Now the main important thing that again I am mentioning here, they clearly mention test duration is 10 minutes, okay. So 10 minutes. So यहाँ पर जो ये जो minutes हैं ये कम भी हो सकते हैं, ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. Totally depends on them. It will totally depends on them according to the section. But all these sections are important, and all these section are same. Because logical, quant, analytical 3rd, computer programming 4th, 5th computer science, 6th English comprehension and 7 spoken English. Okay, fine. Let's discuss about the free resources. Okay, we not believe on any of the paid courses or any of the master class. So for English comprehension, logical ability, quants ability and basic analytical ability. Logical ability, quants and basic analytical ability comes under the aptitude part. For that, India Bix website is very good for all of you. And I already created playlist on our channel that is related to this, where you will find aptitude question and answer, technical previous year question, exam result cutoff, exam result declared. Like this, you can check out this video. So definitely it will very helpful for all of you. In India Bix website, 1000 plus free questions are there, so you can solve. And on YouTube, you will also find the PYQ of LTI Mindtree. For English comprehension, the passage reading will be there, okay, and on the basis of that passage they will ask the question. You can simply write on the Google that English comprehension. Multiple websites with passage are there, and you can practice from that. Next is related to computer programming. In the computer programming, C++, Java, Python, pseudocodes or coding question. Previously there is no coding question, so we are assuming that there will no coding question. Sen Foundry website and Java T-Point website and W3 School website is very good for all of you. Okay, you can go to Google, where you will write computer programming MCQ. Okay, so this is the programming MCQ, where you will find all data structure, C programming, C#, Python, data science, object oriented programming, HTML, cloud computing, database, everything, all MCQs are here. Okay, so for that C++, Java, Python, pseudocode and there will be there. Next is computer science. In computer science, database management system, operating system, computer network, basics of DS and OOPS subject. Okay, for computer science MCQ, you can again go to Google and you can write computer science MCQ, where you will find this website, topic Geeks for Geeks, okay, and the Sen Foundry website as well. Geeks for Geeks website, where you will find data structures, algorithm, operating system, Java, Python, DBMS, everything. And computer science MCQs are also present on the Sen Foundry website. So this will very helpful for all of you. Sen Foundry, GFG, Java T-Point and W3. Last is spoken English assessment. It is same as Accenture Communication Round or Tech Mahindra Communication, in which read, write, listen and speak, 4 sections are there. You can easily practice from YouTube. One thing that I have to tell, already created this video, go to our channel where you will find this playlist. Okay, in this playlist everything is present on our channel, like LTI Mindtree aptitude question, technical previous year question. Okay, so this is the experience of what we can say that this is the experience of candidate. I have completed assessment. The question in aptitude were very easy. Computer section is also very easy. Only the computer science part was moderate. The last part was English in somewhat difficult than CTS, but I think I did pretty good. Computer science MCQs of OS, network, DQL, no coding, full MCQs are there. Okay, and one thing that I have to mention, spoken English consists of reading out given text, repeating the audio, listening to story and answer it orally, and last speaking on the given topic. So this is related to examination. Okay, like what we can say that pseudocode, what was the difficulty pattern of MCQs. There were no coding question, but pseudocodes they will ask. So I suggest everyone, you have to prepare the pseudocodes as well. Okay, because they will definitely ask pseudocodes in the examination. So like this is the complete 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, total 7 sections are there, and it's a most detailed video for all of you. Best wishes for your test. Let's crack LTI Mindtree. Thanks for watching the video.